Hi guys, today I have decided to take you on a journey in my bathroom as I wash my hair, because today is my wash day, and I wash my hair after every 2 weeks. Like you can see, the growth is real. I don't know whether you guys can see that well. The growth is there. It's not that dirty, but I prefer washing after every 2 weeks. And yeah, this is it. Sometimes I apply hot oil treatments before I wash my hair, but this is not one of those times. It's just a wash day that has no extras. So you will see me use a brush. That is the first thing I'm going to do, which is just to loosen up any dead skin on my scalp. Again, I will shampoo my hair using this. Just for 2 or 3 times I'll be using this shampoo. I previously told you in a previous video why I love this shampoo. It's not harsh on my scalp. This is the one that I use, so I'll be using that. This shampoo is very thick, so I always put some here and mix it with some water so that it's easier for me to apply. Like you can see, it's flowing. So it will lather easily and it will be easier for me, and I won't have clutches of it on my hair or left behind. And later on I will be applying or spraying this ACV water just for clarity and to take back the pH where it was. That being said, let's start with the wash day, and I hope you enjoy this video. Tell me, by the way, do you do something to your hair before you wash it? Do you do after we wash it? How is your wash day routine like? Mine in this video, so keep watching. Okay guys, so this is how I wash my hair. Step number 1, I'll go in with the brush, scratch my scalp to loosen up the dead skin, then I'll later shake it off from my skin and my hair. Step number 2 is just me wetting my hair completely while I scratch the scalp, just to make sure the water is getting in, and this also helps get rid of oils and dirt before you start with the shampoo. After making sure that the hair is completely wet, that's when I go in with the shampoo. Like I had said earlier, I always mix my shampoo with some water just to make it lighter and easy to use and lather. I usually apply shampoo twice or thrice depending on how dirty my hair was when I'm washing it. So in this video you'll see me apply it only twice. As you guys can see, I applied it on the scalp first, because that's where I start washing my hair from, the scalp going to the lengths. After scratching and making sure that it has gotten to all sides of my head, I rinse it off and go in for the second time. All through I've been using warm water. This is where I go in for the second time with the shampoo, and this time round, as you guys can see, it's lathering easily. That means that it's getting clean, because sometimes oils and dirt are the reasons why the shampoo doesn't lather. Mostly I don't apply shampoo to the lengths until I'm almost done. As you guys can see, it's now lathering easily. Look at that. We drove as far as we could to ignore
what's around, ignore all expectation.
Now that I'm done washing my scalp, I'll go in and wash my lengths. Just apply some shampoo and squeeze it to avoid damaging my hair.
Smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in.
From there, the last thing that I do is just rinse off all the shampoo. I make sure that I rinse it off completely because I'm done with shampooing. Step 3, I'll go in with the ACV water and spray it to my scalp and hair. ACV water is just water mixed with apple cider vinegar. I'll massage it and wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. In case you have issues with your scalp, you should spray this, or you should try this, because it really helps not only normalize the pH on your scalp, but also it helps with itchiness, dryness, and dandruff. After about 5 minutes, I always go in and give my hair a final rinse. As you guys can see, my hair looks really clean. You can actually see the scalp unlike before. The final step is drying my hair, and as you guys can see, I'm squeezing the water off my hair. After which I will tie a towel, let it sit until there's no more water dripping off. Then later on I will air dry it and do my moisture routine. I have put a link in the description box for the moisturizing routine. You guys can see my hair is really clean, so is my scalp. I felt amazing and it also smelled really good. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video is helpful. For those who have been my family, God bless you for coming back time and time again. In case you're new to my channel, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel where all things are natural and wonderful. God bless you for watching, keep you and maintain you, and until next time.